Start the sketch in the front view, then apply a surface revolution. To apply the surface sweep, you need to create two different sketches, in this case, in the front view. To duplicate the same sweep on the sides, use the circular pattern. As stated in the instruction sheet, the revolution of the new entities must be separated by 15 degrees. Remember, these elements have only been generated to represent lines on the surface, so proceed by applying the line division on the surface. Delete the elements that are no longer needed. Use ruled surface, and then apply boundary surface without issues. The guided surface allows you to create a surface from lines. The boundary surface option lets you create a surface between two surface boundaries. To generate the small relief, you must use the tangent to faces option and assign a value in millimeters. Delete the elements that might get in the way. For the hole, use cover surface. Now that the surface is covered, proceed to generate another circular pattern. In the circular pattern, as indicated in the instruction sheet, generate 12 units with the same spacing. Delete once more the elements that no longer contribute. As you can see, a hole has been created. To fix it, use Filled Surface. And select all the edges to automatically generate the fill. To combine all the entities, use Knit Surface. Finally, add a thickness of 0.5 millimeters, both on the inside and outside of the surface. Great. To practice, try to do it by yourself, by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck.